What if the secret to a more efficient, organized life isn't a pricey gadget, but a handful of clever, affordable tools? Today, we're diving into 10 game-changing items that have transformed my home, kitchen, and workshop, and I bet they'll do the same for you. From a mini chainsaw to a cleaning brush that'll change your routine, these are real problem solvers I've tested myself. Welcome back to Tools and Decor USA, your go-to for the best home, kitchen, and workshop finds. Check the description for Amazon links and exclusive deals, grab them before they're gone. Let's jump in, starting with a tool you use every day, but never like this. Let's start with the unsung hero of every clean home, the Amazon Basics Cleaning Sponge. It's the kind of product you might overlook, but once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. These sponges are a staple in kitchens everywhere for a reason. Each sponge is dual-sided. One side features a non-scratch scrubber for tough messes, while the other is a soft, absorbent cellulose sponge perfect for wiping and soaking up spills. This clever design means you can tackle everything from stubborn baked-on food to delicate glassware without worry. They're impressively tough on grime, yet gentle enough for your favorite non-stick pans and glassware. Plus, they hold a ton of soapy water, so you spend less time rinsing and more time actually cleaning. The suds last, making your cleaning routine faster and more efficient. For about $10 you get a pack of 24 sponges, less than 50 cents each. That's a serious value, especially when you consider how often you need a fresh sponge on hand. They outperform pricier brands, and because they're so affordable, you never feel bad tossing one out when it's worn. No more holding on to old, grimy sponges just to save a few cents. Whether you're scrubbing dishes, wiping down countertops, or even washing your car, these sponges are up to the task. Their versatility makes them a must-have for every room in the house. High value, no nonsense, and always ready to go. This is convenience and cleanliness at its best. You'll always have a fresh sponge within reach. Don't overthink it. Stock up and make your life easier. Keep a pack in the kitchen, the bathroom, even the garage, and you'll always be prepared for any mess. Sometimes the simplest tools are the most essential. It's the little things that make a big difference in your daily routine. Grab a pack and see the difference for yourself. You'll be surprised at how much easier cleaning can be with the right tool. Next up, a tiny upgrade for your daily routine that packs a big punch. Let's shift gears to personal care, specifically Plackers Twin-Line Dental Floss Picks, a small but mighty upgrade for your daily routine. If you've ever fumbled with traditional floss, you know it can be awkward and time-consuming. Plackers picks are designed to be quick, effective, and incredibly portable, making flossing on the go a breeze. The unique twin-line design means you get two strands working together to scrub away plaque, cleaning more thoroughly than a single strand ever could. Your teeth feel noticeably cleaner after just one use. Each pick features a built-in toothpick for those stubborn bits of food, plus a durable plastic body that won't snap. The angled head is perfect for reaching those tricky back teeth, making the whole process easier. Toss a pack in your car, your desk drawer, or your bag, so you're always prepared. With Plackers, there's really no excuse to skip flossing, even on your busiest days. For just $5 to $7 you get a generous supply that lasts for months, making dental care both affordable and hassle-free. It's a tiny, inexpensive upgrade that can make a surprisingly big difference in your oral health and confidence. Ditch the old string floss, grab a pick, and discover how effortless and satisfying flossing can actually be. Sometimes the best tools are the ones that make healthy habits easy to stick with, turning a chore into a simple part of your day. Try Plackers. Twin-line picks for yourself, and feel the difference every time you smile. Now let's head outside to the backyard, where we'll check out a tool that brings real power to your routine. Up next, a gadget that actually makes yard work fun. Let's take a look. Meet the Tietoc 6-inch mini cordless chainsaw, a compact powerhouse designed for both your yard and your workshop. This little tool packs a surprising punch, making it a go-to for anyone who needs reliable cutting power in a small, portable package. Lightweight and easy to use one-handed, it's perfect for pruning, trimming, and tackling small DIY wood projects. Whether you're shaping hedges, cutting firewood, or building a backyard bench, the Tietoc mini chainsaw makes the job simple and efficient. Don't let the size fool you, it cuts through branches up to 5 inches thick with ease. The high-efficiency motor and sharp chain mean you spend less time struggling, and more time getting things done. 2 rechargeable batteries mean you're never out of power mid-job. Swap them out in seconds and keep working without interruption, whether you're deep into a project or just doing quick yard maintenance. Safety features include a lock button and protective baffle, so you can work confidently. The thoughtful design helps prevent accidents, making it suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. For $60 to $80 it replaces handsaws, loppers, and even some full-size chainsaws. It's a smart investment that saves you both money and storage space in your shed or garage. Ideal for homeowners, gardeners, and DIYers, this tool saves time and effort. You'll breeze through chores that used to take hours and enjoy the results right away. Modern battery tech and smart design make it accessible and powerful. Even if you've never used a chainsaw before, you'll find this one intuitive and comfortable to handle. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to make yard work quick and easy. From clearing storm debris to prepping firewood, it's a tool you'll reach for again and again. Upgrade your toolkit and see how much you can get done. The Tietoc Mini Chainsaw is a small addition that makes a big difference in your daily projects. Next, let's head back to the kitchen for a tool you'll use every day. We're about to discover something that will make your daily routine even smoother. Ready for a real kitchen upgrade? Here it comes. Get set for a gadget that will change the way you cook and prep meals. Every kitchen needs a great pair of scissors. Enter the iBayam heavy-duty set. Sharp, stainless steel blades cut through everything from chicken bones to tough packaging. Built-in bottle opener and nutcracker make these a true multi-tool. Soft grip handles mean comfort and control, even with wet hands. Under $10 for a 2-pack, one for the kitchen, one for the garage. Durable, versatile, and always sharp, these scissors make prep work a breeze. Stop struggling with flimsy scissors. Upgrade and feel the difference. It's a small change with a big impact on your daily routine. Once you try them, you'll never go back. Next, a cleaning tool that tackles the toughest spots. Ready to clean like a pro? Let's get into the details. Here's the solution for every crevice. For perfectionists and anyone who loves a spotless home, the multifunctional crevice cleaning brush. Stiff bristles scrub away grime in window tracks, sink seals, and car vents without scratching. Flip it over for a rigid scraper, perfect for caked-on messes and hard water buildup. Ergonomic handle and hanging loop make it easy to use and store. Multi-packs cost just a few dollars, making this one of the best value cleaning tools out there. It's a 1-2 punch for deep cleaning. Brush, then scrape. Once you have it, you'll wonder how you ever cleaned without it. Ditch the old toothbrush and butter knife. This is the real deal. For anyone who takes pride in a clean home, it's a must-have. Next, let's make every project perfectly straight. Ready for pro-level precision? Here's the tool you need. Say goodbye to crooked frames and uneven shelves. The laser level line tool is here. It projects a perfectly straight, bright line on your wall for flawless alignment. Use it for hanging photos, installing shelves, tiling, or painting stripes. No more guesswork. Multiple projection modes and self-leveling features make it versatile and easy to use. Lock the laser at any angle for tricky projects like stair rails or diagonal designs. Under $30, it delivers professional results and saves tons of time. Whether you're a DIY pro or just want straight pictures, this tool is a game changer. Once you try it, you'll never go back to a bubble level. Upgrade your toolkit and get perfect results every time. Next, a must-have for every gadget lover. Ready to tackle tiny screws? Let's check out the Ultimate Precision Kit. For tech lovers and DIYers, the JOREST Precision Screwdriver Set is essential. 59 bits cover everything: laptops, phones, glasses, and more. High-quality steel, magnetized handle, and a free-spinning cap give you control and precision. Includes extension shaft, tweezers, and prying tools for tricky repairs. All organized in a compact labeled case, no more lost bits. Under $20, it's a no-brainer for anyone who fixes or upgrades electronics. Save money on repairs and empower yourself to handle any small job. It's the toolkit you'll wish you had sooner. Next, let's light up your life, literally. Here's a tool you'll want everywhere. Everyone needs a reliable flashlight. GearLight Mini LED flashlights deliver big power in a small package. Compact, shockingly bright, and weather-resistant, they're perfect for your car, bedside, toolbox, or camping gear. Adjustable focus lets you switch from wide floodlight to narrow spotlight. Made from tough aluminum, they handle drops and rough use with ease. Standard AAA batteries keep them ready whenever you need light. For less than $15 a 2-pack, stash them everywhere for safety and convenience. Stop relying on your phone's weak light. These are built for real emergencies. Whether it's a blackout or a late-night walk, you'll be glad you have one. Simple, affordable, and essential. Next, a tiny tool that makes every project smoother. Let's check it out. Meet the Katerk Magnetic Bit Holder, a small upgrade with a huge impact for any drill or impact driver. It extends your reach and holds bits securely, making bit changes fast and easy. The powerful magnet keeps screws in place so you can drive them one-handed, perfect for ladders or tight spots. No more dropped screws or fumbling for the right bit. For just a few dollars, it speeds up your work and makes every project safer and more efficient. Simple, effective, and indispensable for any toolbox. Once you try it, you'll never want to work without it. Next, let's wrap up with a complete kitchen solution. Ready to upgrade your food prep? Here's the set you need. The Farberware 22-piece knife and kitchen tool set is your all-in-one kitchen upgrade. Sharp, high-carbon stainless steel knives for every task, plus matching utensils and a sturdy wooden block. Full tang blades mean balance and durability, while the built-in sharpener keeps everything ready. Durable nylon tools are safe for non-stick cookware and make your kitchen feel organized. Under $50, this set is perfect for new homes, college students, or anyone needing a fresh start. Everything you need, all in one place. No more mismatched, dull tools. It's a practical, affordable foundation for any kitchen. Give it as a gift or treat yourself. You'll notice the difference every day. The right tools make cooking safer, easier, and more enjoyable. Now let's wrap up. There you have it, 10 affordable tools that make life easier, cleaner, and more efficient. From sponges to mini chainsaws, each item solves a real problem and delivers big value. All the deal links are in the description. Shop smart and upgrade your routine. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs an upgrade. Thanks for watching Tools and Decor USA. More great finds are on the way. See you next time.